Bier her, oder ich fall um. Soll das Bier im Keller liegen, soll ich hier die Ohnmacht kriegen? Bier her, oder ich fall um. Bier her, oder ich fall um.
There are bits that reach down to your toes, and bits that grow right up your nose. They're quite impressive, I suppose, but I think I love your bit the most. Some are big and some are small, and some men don't have one at all. My grandma had one, I recall, but ladies' bits aren't beautiful. Well, just the sight of a bit can cure a frown. Naked chins just leave me feeling down. Oh, if your bit was mine to kiss, I just don't think I could resist. Lately, that's all I've been dreaming of. Oh, all great men who've been revered have facial hair from ear to ear, and even though it's hard to hear, I think I only love you for your beard.
Ukulele Dave, I just jammed out on the ukes for you guys. We love Grossen Park, the beer is the best. And we grew a nice little trim beard out for our boys out here, so aloha to you.